Hello guys, it's me Reggie. For today's video, I will be unboxing this product that I have bought this week. It's called HOHEM iSteady M7. So I am very excited to unbox this one because I know this will be this product I will be using for the rest of the things when I'm taking videos. So let's start. First, I have picture it so that I have can show you. So here, so it's so hard to unbox, no, if you're alone. That's why I am buying this, because I am this can be very useful when every time I am doing something, or um I am recording something. So you see, it's very hard for me, and I am so happy that this product I have discovered and I have found. That's why I'm buying is right away. So you see, it's so hard for me because I'm using my other hand to open the box, and the other one is to film, you know. So this is how it look like. This, it comes with a box. It comes with a box. You can see the box, and yes, actually this is a birthday present, birthday present from myself, because tomorrow will be my birthday. So it come very much on time, as I am not expect. I thought it will be a little bit late. So yeah, so let's first take a photo before I proceed to unboxing. So okay, my son is not here, so um yeah, I have not helper, or maybe I call my son. Ringo, where are you? Come here, baby. I want you to help me, please. Oh, the Ringo is here, so he loves to open the box actually. So please, baby, make it slowly. Bakit lang sa baby. So okay, baby, come here, baby. Yeah, okay. Say hello, baby. Say hello. Sorry guys, here our surroundings is not so much. It's stressful here, our surroundings, because I have a lot of things to do, to fix. But first I must, since this box is coming, so I need to open. Oh wow. Oh, this baby. Oh, very nice. Oh, let's open. Oh, I'm so happy to see this product. Oh, what am I cannot wait to, to picture, make a photo on this. So please proceed, baby. Come. Or, oh, you are, so that's, here is comes with a 3 manual. Yes, that you can read. 3 manual, guidelines, safety guidelines, warning and disclaimer, and of course the AI tracking. So this could be a lot more time consuming to read, so that before you use this product, you are not going to get wrong, So you see, three manuals, and it has also comes with a cloth for cleaning cloth. And this is the standard. I think this is the standard. So Magmabite, can you open this, please? Will you help me? Yeah, open up. Okay, open. That's my hair. Show me that hair. That's my hair. Yeah. Open it here in the camera. Show it in the camera. Show. Take me in the camera. Open. Okay. So, okay. So this is this, no? Yeah, this is that. And oh, look. Oh, this is this. This is how it look like. This is the gimbal. HOHEM iSteady M7 gimbal. Are you familiar with gimbals? Yes, this is this. It's quite heavy, but I have a camera that that I can be, because if this is quite heavy, because this is ideal for also for heavy cameras. So I have remembered I have a camera there that I haven't used for a longer period of time. So this is the time I can be use my this camera. So, and it comes also with the what am I, with a remote, with a detachable um friend Bidino. How can I say this? Remote control. Yes. Yes, you can use when you track your for tracking, you know. So it's very nice. And this is the detachable uh, A tracking, AI tracking. What am I? Be careful in hot surface. Ah, it's cool. So, oh, wait. Okay, so later I will be trying this one. Good. And also this box, it has here, I think this is for the charging cable. Obviously, this is a charging cable. It's written in the box itself. So this is two kinds of charging cable. It's not so long cable, but you need to. They have not a sticker, a dosa, no, or you can put. Oh, this is different. This is look. You need an adapter for this. So yeah, yes, guys. This gimbal is for my. Actually, this is for my birthday present. Yes, yes. Of course, no. We are working hard, so we are also giving ourselves a reward. So, ano lang ang show. So, okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something from this product. Soon, I will be using this for doing filming, and because it's very hard if you're alone and nobody hold your camera, and if you want to go outside and make photos, nobody can do that for you. So I decided to buy this one and give as myself a gift as a reward for myself. And yeah, and I'm sure this is very, very useful for nowadays that we are now in the networking. So this is very useful for me. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and um, please don't forget to subscribe and hit and share, like, and hit the notifications bell button to get more updates of my for more videos, uploaded videos. And guys, thank you guys sa support, ha. Thank you guys sa support, and yeah, thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Babush.